Georgia's maternity leave laws can be complex and confusing. If you're expecting a child or planning to start a family in Georgia, understanding your rights and options is crucial. Let's break down the key aspects of maternity leave in the Peach State. Georgia primarily relies on federal regulations for maternity leave, with limited state-specific benefits. The cornerstone of these protections is the Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA. This federal law provides eligible employees with up to 12 weeks of unpaid, job-protected leave per year for family and medical reasons, including childbirth and adoption. To qualify for FMLA, you must have worked for your employer for at least 12 months, logged 1,250 hours in the past year, and work for a company with 50 or more employees within a 75-mile radius. It's important to note that while FMLA guarantees job protection, it does not mandate paid leave. However, there's good news for some Georgia workers. As of July 2021, state employees and educators are eligible for up to 3 weeks of paid parental leave per year. This benefit applies to full-time state workers and teachers following the birth, adoption, or foster placement of a child. The leave must be taken within 6 months of the qualifying event and is separate from accrued sick or vacation time. For those in the private sector, paid maternity leave is at the discretion of individual employers. While not required by law, many companies offer paid leave programs, extended unpaid leave options, or other benefits to support new parents. It's crucial to review your company's specific policies to understand your options. If your employer doesn't offer paid leave, there are still financial options to consider. Short-term disability insurance can provide partial wage replacement during your recovery from childbirth. You can purchase individual policies or check if your employer offers group coverage. Some parents also use personal savings, loans, or explore assistance programs offered by nonprofit organizations. Regardless of your employment status, it's essential to know that pregnancy discrimination is illegal under both federal and state laws. The Pregnancy Discrimination Act ensures that pregnant employees are treated the same as other workers with similar abilities or limitations. In Georgia, the Fair Employment Practices Act further protects public sector employees from pregnancy-related discrimination. Another important provision is the Georgia Family Care Act, which allows employees to use their accrued paid sick leave to care for immediate family members, including newborns. This law applies to employers with 26 or more employees who work at least 30 hours per week. When planning your maternity leave, communication is key. If you're eligible for FMLA, notify your employer at least 30 days before your expected leave date. Submit a formal request detailing the reason for your leave and provide any required medical documentation. Work with your HR department to coordinate your leave and understand how it may interact with other benefits like paid time off or short-term disability. In conclusion, while Georgia doesn't mandate paid maternity leave for all workers, there are various protections and options available. Federal FMLA provides job protection, state employees have access to some paid leave, and private sector workers should explore their company's specific policies. Remember to consider financial planning, understand your rights regarding pregnancy discrimination, and communicate early with your employer to ensure a smooth transition into parenthood. By knowing your rights and options, you can focus on what matters most, welcoming your new addition to the family.